Hey everyone, welcome back to Data Enthusiast Era. Today we are going to solve a real world DevOps task, that is how to create a temporary Linux user with a expiry date. This is super useful when you need to grant access to someone like a developer or a contractor, but only for a specific time period. So let's say we are working on Nautilus project and a developer named Amar needs access only till 15th April 2024. Imagine that it's the past date. You are, for example, you are in January or January 2024, like that. So they need access only till April 15th April 2024. So here is how we can do it. Here, if you see, as part of temporary assignment to Nautilus project, a developer named Amar requires access for a limited duration. To ensure smooth access management, a temporary user account with an expiry date is needed. Here is what you need to do. Create a user named Amar on App Server 2 in Stratos data center. Set the expiry date to 2024 4/15, ensuring the user is created in lowercase as per standard protocol. So let's open this and let's open terminal in a new window. On App Server 2. So this is App Server 2. Let's log into this. Let's SSH to this. SSH. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Copy the password. Paste. All right. Now the command is sudo useradd -e. Mention the date now, 2024 04-15, and name of the user, that is Amar. So this command creates a user named Amar and sets the expiry date to 15th April 2024. That means the user will have access only till that date. -e is stands for expiry. So we should always use lowercase as usernames in Linux for consistency and to avoid any permission issues later. Press enter, copy the password, paste. All right. Now, is it asking us to set any password? No, right? So for example, if you want to add password, for example, sudo passwd Amar. So Linux won't allow login unless the user has a password. So we can assign one now. So it is asking for password. It is short, it is saying. Okay, it's done. And if you do sudo chage -l, if you run this command, it will show when the account expires. You see this? April 15, 2024. So this shows you the account status under account expires. You should see the date we have given. This is the command we have used. So why it matters? Setting expiry dates avoids security risks from forgotten accounts. It's especially useful in enterprise environments where access should always be time bound. So if you want to modify the expiry date later, you can use this command. For example, if you want to change the date -e 2024 for example 10, date I'm giving 29, and name of the user. If you give this, it will modify. As of now, as per the task, I'm not modifying. The date expected is April 15, 2024. So in what cases this might be useful? For example, you are part of a DevOps team and your colleague has dropped papers, or he or she has resigned. So they'll serve the 3 months notice period, right? So from the manager, you'll get a request from manager or the client saying that the account should expire in 3 months. You'll check the last working day with them and then set the account expiry date to that day. So even at their after their last working day, even if they try to log in, it won't allow. In that scenario, usually it occurs, or if there is any request that the contractor will be there only 1 year or 6 months, like that. So that's it. You just created a temporary Linux user and you have set the account expiry date. So if this helped, hit the like button, subscribe to Data Enthusiast Era, and comment with your DevOps doubts. I would love to answer. See you in the next hands-on video. Thank you.